Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Pinterest. You will click on settings, then in this page you will go to this window as you see here. You will go down to click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about Pinterest. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for